Good morning, students. So already chapter one is over, and I already sent on WhatsApp chapter one answer, question answer. Okay. So now discuss today MS Excel 2016 working with chart, page number 19. Okay. Working with chart. Components of a chart: chart area, category access, value access, data series, float area, chart title. Okay. Legend and grid lines and access title. Okay. So we are insert chart. How can I insert chart? See this. When you insert chart in MS Excel, MS means what? Microsoft. Okay. When you insert chart in your MS Excel, then you can write series, series 1, series 2, category, and enter the value of chart. Any one value. Okay. No problem. And now you select this column and row and insert button and insert chart. Which you insert chart. Okay, so I can use column chart. Okay, so column chart insert, already inserted. So components of chart area, called chart area. This one chart area. See this, I think chart area, it's called chart area. Okay, chart area. Next, category access. Category, actually this one is called category. This one category. Okay, category and category. Okay, so categories, this is the x axis, it is horizontal axis of a chart. Horizontal axis of a chart. This one category axis, horizontal of a chart. This one horizontal, basically this one here. So category 1, category 2, category 3, category 4. Category axis, it's called category axis. Okay, next value axis. This is the y axis, it is vertical axis to plot the value. Plot the value. Plot area with this one, plot area. This one plot area. Okay, plot area. Data series, these are bar elements or other elements that represent data values. They are known as data series. This one data series, it's called data series. Okay, this one data series. Okay, next plot area. Plot area, this area is within the chart area containing actual chart, data series, category, value access. This one plot area, already series plot area. Okay, plot area. Next, chart title. This one chart title. See this chart title. Next legend. This one called legend. Legend and series is both same. Okay, legend and series. So we can call legend or series. Grid lines, horizontal or vertical lines on the plot area depending upon the chart type are known as grid lines. This one grid line. Vertical value axis measure grid line. Okay, grid line. Grid line. Okay. Next, axis title. The headings given to x axis and y axis are known as axis titles. They help in understanding what is being debated on the axis. Okay. Chart area, chart title, data series, grid lines, vertical axis, horizontal axis, legend. Vertical axis, this one vertical axis. Horizontal axis, this one horizontal axis. Okay. So now types of chart, commonly used chart types. Types of chart: number 1 column chart, number 2 bar chart, number 3 pie chart, number 4 line chart. So now discuss column chart. This one already inserted column chart in MS Excel. Okay, so column chart. These types of chart display data in vertical bar. Yes, particle bar, particle bar. Okay, and it is used to compare different item of data or show changes in data trends over a period of time. The value in this chart are depicted on the vertical axis, whereas the horizontal axis is used to depict a category. So already we know horizontal and vertical. Row is called horizontal. Okay, and column is called vertical. Row, this one, is called horizontal row, and column is called vertical. Okay, when you enter the when you series 1, series 2, series 3, when you enter or when you enter any name or any name, okay, any name in row, then series row, this one, series 1, series 2, series 3, series 1, series 2, series 3. Okay, and category 1, category 2, category 3, category 4. Okay, so already we are entered this category 1, category 2, category 3 in a column, but column, when you enter number in your column, then this column is show the chart in a row. This one already enter this name in a column, category 1, category 2, category 3, category 4. But when you insert a chart, show this category 1, category, this column is different to show in a chart. Yes, why? Because this is rule of chart. Okay, see this category 1, category 2, category 3, category 4. But inside this chart, show this category 1, category 2, category 3, category 4. It's horizontal. When you insert or when you enter the column series category name in a Excel, okay, then this category name show the chart in a series mode, horizontal mode. Okay, again I will repeat, when you enter any name, just like a category 1, no problem, just like a name 2, wait, name name 2, name 3, and name 4. Series name 1, name 2, name 3, name 4. When you type any text in your category in a MS Excel, then transfer to chart in a horizontal mode. This one, name 2, name 3, name 4. Okay, but transfer default show in a chart horizontal mode is this one. So column chart is a this types of chart display data in vertical bar. Vertical bar, okay, display data in vertical bar. It is used to compare different item of data or show changes in data trends over a period of time. These value in this chart are depicted on the vertical axis. See this vertical axis, value or name, no problem, depicted on vertical axis. Here vertical means column, already you know vertical means column. Okay, so when you enter value or name in a vertical, then where is the horizontal axis is used to depict in chart, and is used to vertical or column in used to chart in horizontal mode or horizontal axis. Okay, when you enter value or name in a vertical axis, then show the chart in a show the column in a chart horizontal axis. Okay, next, bar chart. A bar chart depicts data in the form of long rectangular rod known as bar. This one, chart, bar chart. Okay, this one bar chart. Say bars are depict data in the form of long rectangular rod. This one, long rectangular rod. Comparison can be made among different items in a set of horizontal bar or vertical bars. Bars are depict value on the horizontal axis, whereas category are the vertical axis. See this? Already column you can use or any value you can any value enter any value in column MS Excel, then same to same show the chart in a vertical axis. Yes, vertical axis. This one. What difference? Name one is first row, but this one last. Name 4 is last, but name 4 is first. Yes, so different. So comparison can be made among different items in a set of horizontal bars or vertical bars. Bars are depict value on the horizontal axis, whereas category are the vertical axis. Values on the horizontal axis. Values in the horizontal axis. Values this one 4.3, 2.4, and 2. Okay. So value axis is horizontal. We are use value in a horizontal axis, and where is category are the vertical axis. Where is category is vertical axis. This one, yes, vertical axis. This one, I think first. Yes, 4.3. This one is last. Series one, it's called series. First data series is called series one, series two, series three, and completely C data series is called category. Okay, category. This one already discussed category. Okay, so when you type any value in your MS Excel, then insert chart and show the chart in vertical. This one 4.3, 2.42 is vertical axis. Yes, vertical or horizontal axis? Horizontal axis. Yes, 2.4.3, 2.4 is horizontal axis, and show the horizontal axis in chart is vertical axis. This one vertical axis, horizontal axis, and this one vertical axis. Wait. Set a horizontal bar or vertical bar. Bars are depict value on the horizontal axis. Value on the horizontal axis, already value in inside a horizontal axis 4.3, 2.4, and 2. And where is category are the vertical axis. Where is category in the vertical axis? This one vertical axis. This one I think this line is, so this line vertical axis, vertical axis. Okay. So when you enter value in MS Excel horizontal axis, then show the value yes, show the value in vertical axis. Okay, this one. Okay, next pie chart. Pie chart is a pie chart. Pie chart, this one. Okay, pie chart. These charts show only data series. Yes, this one only show only data series. The data is depicted in the form of circle. This one circle. This is used when the user wants to compare individual item to the sum of all items. This one only show data series and circle mode. Already show this circle mode. Okay, now only show only data series. Okay, next line chart. Line chart can with line chart. This one line chart. Okay, line chart. Line chart is a is in form of line. This one form of line. It uses dots that connect of time. This is similar to plotting a graph on a graph paper. is used for plotting a graph on a graph paper. Used for only graph paper. When you already you know graph paper, so see this line only used for line. This is called bar. Okay, but bar show this one, this one, this one. Okay, bar. Okay, so this only line. Okay.